One of the biggest challenges suffering singers face is how to build their mix voice. Inside this video, I'll explain how to build your mix voice with strategic songs. Hi, I'm Chuck Gilmore with Power to Sing. Singers all over the world are learning to sing with a mix of chest and head voice. A gigantic challenge they face is building their mix so that it's strong and powerful. Why is this so challenging? I think it's because we don't use songs to help build and strengthen our mix. I don't think we consider that using songs strategically can develop our mix. How do you use songs as part of your strategy to build your mix singing voice? The answer comes from pillar number 2 in the Second Nature singing system. Pillar number 2 is strategic songs. What's a strategic song? And how does it build your mix? A strategic song is a song where much of the melody and chorus is in your first vocal bridge. The song often has licks or climax notes in the second bridge or head voice. What makes this a strategic song? Whenever the pitches are in or above your first bridge, it requires you to sing in a mix of chest and head voice. When the climax or big finish notes are pitched in the second bridge and or in head voice, you're able to sing them because you've been in mix throughout the song. In contrast, a song where you sing a melody at the top of your chest will never help you develop your mix. Instead, you're likely to start pulling the chest voice too high, which also raises the larynx. And the occasional high note is almost impossible to sing easily because you've been singing in chest voice throughout the whole song. Then you end up straining or pulling the chest voice while trying to sing the high notes. Instead of building your mixed voice, you're reinforcing your bad habits of reaching or flipping into falsetto. What if the song you want to sing is too low? What if it's just one big pulled up chest song? The solution is easy. Raise the key. If you're performing in a musical, see if the music director will raise the key for you. It's especially easy to do if you use recorded tracks for your production instead of an orchestra. If you accompany yourself with a guitar or keyboard, change the key is easy. Use a capo on the guitar. For piano, most online sheet music companies give multiple key signature choices, and you can choose higher keys. Some pianists easily transpose to any key signature you need. There are also computer and mobile phone apps that will enable you to raise the key of YouTube videos. I use a Chrome browser extension called Pitch Shifter for YouTube videos. I'll put a link in the description below this video. For example, the song I'll Buy You a Star from the musical A Tree Grows in Brooklyn is in a key where much of the song is in my first bridge, with climax notes at the top of my second bridge. This enables me to sing in a mix most of the song and makes the head voice notes at the end easier to sing. Why? Because head voice coordination is the same as mix. It's just a higher pitch and usually easier because it's further away from the bridge. For example, of the first 40 notes of the song, 30 are in or close to my bridge. My first bridge is A3, B flat, B, and C4. So I'll choose to mix on about 30 of the first 40 notes. For example, things may not come true the way you planned. One more chance is true. One more chance is due to every man. One more chance, that's it. It's not too late yet. We'll be living on some grand estate yet, you'll see. Now that last couple lines especially are in my mix. If they weren't, if I didn't sing them in mix, they would just been in chest. And I don't think I even want to show you that because I want to show you what happens then at the end of the song. And because I've been singing in mix in so much of the song, when I have to sing the high note at the end, it's already there. So he says, I'll buy you a star, my darling, but I won't rest until I buy the moon. So those are in the top area of my second bridge. In fact, I took one that's not even written here. I took the G. Instead of going down to an E, by the moon, I took the upper. Now, the reason why it's so much easier to do it that way is because I've been in mix most of the song. And so when the high notes come, when the climax notes come in head voice, it's just the same coordination as the mix. So I've been building, solidifying, feeling that mix the whole song. And so it's just the same when I go into those high climax notes. It's more of the same throughout the song. With that ending that has the F4, which is at the top of my second bridge, plus that G that I took, I was able to do that because I've been singing the mix, in my mix the whole song. So my voice is already conditioned to sing the F4 at the end and slip a G in. By choosing a song with so much of the melody in my first bridge, I can sing mix throughout the song. This builds and strengthens my mixed voice, and the bonus is I'm ready to sing the head voice notes, all without straining or pulling chest. If you haven't yet learned to sing with the mix, you need to start doing vocal exercises that help you learn to mix. Start this process by getting your vocal type. Click here or in the description below this video and take a simple vocal test to discover your vocal type. Maybe you already mix, or perhaps you're straining or flipping in the falsetto. Take the test and find out. Once you know your vocal type, you can start doing designer exercises made specifically for your vocal type to help you get or improve your mix. Strategic Songs, pillar number 2 in the Second Nature singing system, is a powerful way to build your mixed voice. I'm Chuck Gilmore with Power to Sing. For you, singing can become second nature.